you hear me, Sea Pup Rolly? Loud and clear, Sea Pup Bingo. Ahoy!
I knew you guys would love the doggy scuba gear I made. Wait, only one box? Well, I had ordered 2.
Let me see if I can... Uh-oh. It says it got lost at sea.
Lost at sea?
See you later, Bob. Bye, pups.
This box is useless without the second box. Oh, I really hope they find it.
But Bingo, the delivery woman said it fell off the boat and into the sea. Yes, but with our special scuba dogging gear, we can search the sea and find it. Underwater puppy power to the rescue. Sounds like we have our mission. Yeah, let's go. Except we don't know where we're going, do we? The delivery woman said the box fell off the boat near the Great Barrier Reef.
There are also beautiful green islands that boats sail past every day.
So the missing box for Bob could be in a coral reef. We need a boat, which we can find at the harbor. Let's go! Now we just need a boat to get us to...
Isn't this Barrier Reef great, Frank?
It looks like the ocean is having a party down there.
Ahoy!
Those must be dogfish fishies.
Now remember, Sea Pup Rolly, we're looking for a box with a paw print inside a bubble. One bubble box for Bob. Got it. Come back! I didn't get to ask if you've seen Bob's lost box. Rolly, wait! Wow, this little fish is fast. If you tell me some of the things you see around you, then I'll know if I'm getting close. Okay, I'm in a beautiful orange coral cave. I see the same thing. I found you. And I found you. Did you see any boxes? No, me neither. The delivery woman said it fell off a boat. Back to the wow, it's wings! Ahoy!
Hello, puppy pal. Yeah, but it's under the water. There was a box in it, though.
Maybe it's Bob's box.
If you want to look, just go straight down. You can't miss it.
Got it. I'm right behind you, Sea Pup Bingo. Ooh! Look, hey, you don't think this was a pirate ship, do you? I do now. Arr, matey! Remember, we're looking for a box with paw prints inside a bubble. Yeah,
Lots of places down here for a lost text to get lost.
Scuba doggies, there, scuba doggies.
Tighten up your mask and your scuba gear.
look at me, Rolly. I'm the legendary pirate captain, Bingo Beard. And I'm your first mate, Rolly Beard. Well, we searched this whole thing and didn't find the missing box for Bob. I know, the only box around here is this one. Wait, me neither. But A.R.F said there were thousands of sea creatures around here. Maybe one of them saw the box fall off the boat. Then let's go find a sea creature. Bingo, are you swimming? I thought I was. Are you? I think so. Well then, why aren't we moving anywhere? Hey, look at all that sand on top of the water. Rolly, that's a beautiful green island, like A.R.F told us about.
Well, my, it's Bingo and Rolly.
Hey, Jonathan, what are you doing here? Well, we're looking for a box that fell off one.
Well, then you've come to the right spot. What does the box look like?
Well, if it looks like Bob's box, it's boxy and...
No, haven't seen it.
Bow to the wow, look! It's a paw print inside a bubble. This is Bob's lost box. We found it. What about that box?
Oh, this is a nice one.
There's not as much to see in this pool as there was to see in the ocean.
Hey, pal.
It's my favorite deep-sea divers.
Bob! Yeah, we found it, Bob. Jonathan was sitting on it.
Oh, this is so exciting. I can't wait for you two to see what I got you. There's special flippers just for dogs that can help you swim even faster.
Now those are pretty cool. Ahoy, puppies!
Ahoy, Hissy! And thanks, Bob. Yeah, Bob, thanks.
Go, scuba doggies! Go.
A pyramid scheme.
Dry me off.
That meow did mean dry me off.
cuteness and bark, bark, barks to all. Remember, Captain Dog is always just a phone call away.
This sounds important.
The Great Pyramids of Egypt have mysteriously disappeared.
Oh, no!
The pyramids shown here before they disappeared.
How could those giant pyramids have just disappeared?
No one has any idea how the pyramids disappeared.
Oh, try to stay dry today. I'll see you when I get home from work.
Well, we're gonna make sure an upside-up smile lands there instead. Hissy, Rolly and I are going on a mission to find the pyramids for Bob.
What's the weather like in Egypt?
Welcome to sunny and dry Egypt.
I guess we'll have to change that on all the posters and brochures. Those ancient Egyptians knew how to treat a kitty right.
Looks like that guy has ouchies all over his body. Like when Bob grabbed my foot after I stepped in that bee. Except you kept going.
Is this the bus that takes us where the pyramids used to be? Yes, it is. All aboard.
You coming with us, Hissy?
Nah, you can go on without me while I'm napping here without you. We get to ride a camel.
'Cause away we go.
Well, she didn't do a very good job. They're nowhere in sight.
Looks like this big doggy's nose fell off. Maybe it fell in the sand.
Sure is.
Hey, look what I found.
Where are you, Esther? Oh!
I'm on a camel in the middle of the desert. Wait! What? What am I doing on a camel in the middle of the desert?
Look at these cool drawings all over the walls. Look at this one. Rolly, that's not me. Well, it's not me either.
Esther!
It's a mummy! This way. Maybe that mummy's looking for the pyramids too. Not if we find them first.
Esther!
What are we gonna do? There's only one thing we can do. Dig, Rolly. Dig like we've never dug before. Digging in the desert sand. There's a mummy on our tail and we gotta lose him. Throwing sand everywhere. Oh, I'm a dizzy pup. Which way's up? I don't know, buddy. Dig! We made it! But we still haven't found the missing pyramids that Bob wants to see someday. And look out! Get me on this thing!
Huh? Perfect color.
You mean we came all the way up this mountain just so we could slide down it? Yep. This is gonna be so much fun! In the name of the dog! It's a good thing I brought my bottom with me to help out.
Not sure what that means, but thanks.
Rolly. I did? It's the right shape, just like those hats Bob made for us, but bigger and in Egypt. They were here all the time? Look what Rolly found, Hissy. Hissy?
The triangle-y things were discovered in the exact spot they had always been in.
Oh, this is fantastic! Now I'll be able to go to Egypt someday and see the pyramids.
As long as I don't have to ride there on a camel.